Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you what is Bollinger Band along with a 93.2% winning rate strategy. So without any further late, let's get into the video. So what is Bollinger Band? The Bollinger Band is a technical indicator that is used to measure market volatility. It is made up of a basic moving average and two standard deviation lines plotted a specified number of standard deviations away from the moving average. The bands will expand and shrink as the market volatility rises or falls. The indicator is designed to assist traders in identifying potential buy and sell signals, as well as determining whether the price is overbought or oversold. The Bollinger Band is a well-known technical indicator among the traders and investors, and it is frequently used in combination with other indicators to improve their trading strategies. Here are some of the common trading strategies which is used frequently. First, overbought or oversold. When the price is close to the upper Bollinger Band, it is called overbought. When the price is close to the lower Bollinger Band, it is called oversold. This data can be utilized to spot buy and sell opportunities. Second, breakouts. When the price breaks above or below the upper or lower Bollinger Band, it can be seen as a potential buy or sell signal. Third, mean reversion. When the price is much above or below the Bollinger Band, it may suggest that it is overbought or oversold, and mean reversion may occur. So these were some common Bollinger Band strategies. But if you want to trade safely, then you have to try this 93.2% winning rate strategy. You only need Bollinger Band and a little price action. So without any further late, let's see how this strategy works. But before that, here are some rules. First, use default Bollinger Band settings. Second, the candle body must open and close below the lower band or above the upper band, which can be any length. Now let's see how you can use it. If the candlestick opens and closes below the lower band, then go for the long. If the candlestick opens and closes above the upper band, then go for the short. Here how it works. Works great, right? But remember, you need to check candlestick time to time to confirm whether there is enough volume or not. Don't blindly enter in a deal and forget, okay? Because price action is very important in this strategy. If you notice any hammer or any reversal candlestick pattern, then exit the trade right there. Don't wait for the take profit, okay?